Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chuaahh. Today I'll be reviewing the Laura Lee Los Angeles Noodie Patootie palette, and I'm actually going to do a tutorial. I'm not going to really swatch the eyeshadow palette because there's so many reviews and swatch videos on this palette, so y'all can watch those, and of course you can watch Laura Lee's video on this eyeshadow palette if y'all want to see all the swatches. But anyways, oh, I just hit myself in the nose. I'm really excited to use this. I haven't even tried her first palette yet. This is her second palette that she came out with, and it's, how many colors? There are 14 colors in this eyeshadow palette. I really like the packaging. Let me show you the packaging. It says Noodie Patootie in the front, and it's a nude color with a rose gold lettering and all that stuff. Yep, rose gold lettering. Anyways, I really like the shades, even though I do have a lot of eyeshadow palettes with the shades. There's some eyeshadow on there. Don't mind the fingerprint, I just accidentally touched the mirror and I really wasn't trying to. Rose gold in the inside, and I really like the sleek packaging. It's really pretty, and I'm so excited to use this color Jaybird right here. I've seen so many videos of people using this and so many pictures, and I'm like, I need to try this. It comes with 14 shades. It comes with shimmers, mattes, metallic foils, and then a glitter foil. Yeah, all those. If y'all want to see what I create with this eyeshadow palette, just keep on watching. We're zoomed in just a little bit. I'm not going to zoom in that much because my self tanner is now finally getting my skin darker and my neck darker, and I totally forgot I put that on this morning, and it's supposed to gradually get me darker. Yeah. I'm going to put more bronzer on later. I just ignore how white my face is right now. Oh my god, it's self tanner. Anyways, we're going to get started on this eyeshadow tutorial, I guess. I don't know, this Noodie Patootie palette. I guess the first color I'm going to be using, I want to use Reveal. I kind of like this color for my transition right here. So we're going to use that one in my crease area for the transition to blend all the colors. Yeah, I don't know why I'm talking like that. I don't know why I do that accent. I can't even do any other accent, and I just make weird voices and weird faces. Anyways, let's see if this has any fallout. I already primed my lids and everything, so yeah. So I'm just gonna apply this on my crease area. I don't remember if I cleaned my brush or not. But it blends really nicely. It doesn't stick to like one area too much when I apply eyeshadows. Like sometimes, cause I usually don't apply anything on my lid after I apply primer. I like to be a little sticky when I apply my eyeshadows just to make it pop more and last longer. Because I feel like every time I add another color just to blend everything out, it just, I don't know, the colors just seem lighter and just not more, it's not as pigmented as it would be, I guess. I go to next eye. Yeah, I really like this as a transition color. What do y'all think? This is a really pretty transition color. I really like this. Ooh. This is actually pretty just by itself, and then just add lashes and you're done. Next color I'm thinking I'm gonna use is Butt Naked, just to deepen up my crease a little bit, and then we're gonna deepen it up a bit more with Nakey. And these shade names are so cute. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't mention the shade names, but the shade names are Stark We're gonna go look. Stark, Undress, Topless, Streaking, Uncover, Strip, Lace, and then it goes to Expose, All Natural, Reveal, Jaybird, Butt Naked, Buff, and Nakey. These colors are just so cute. I'm going to use a Butt Naked just to deepen up that crease area. So I'm going to use my Morphe M433 brush. Is kind of dirty. I forgot to clean it. So we're going to ignore that. I don't want to use that side mirror. We're gonna use Butt Naked. And I'm like liking how there's no fallout so far. There's no fallout with that color, so we're gonna see with this. So I'm just gonna deepen up that crease area. I like how this is blending really nicely with the other shade. This is really nice. I am surprised. And I've been hearing so much shit going on with this palette. Ooh, I like that. And dip a bit more just to add more color. Because I always put too much eyeshadow. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit more. And I'm just going to grab my previous brush and just blend that out a bit more. Because I want it to be up closer to my brow bone. So we're going to bring that color up a lot more. So I'm going to dip a little bit more on Reveal and just bring that higher up to the brow bone and give it like that seamless blend. And I always take forever blending my eyeshadows because I'm OCD and they gotta be perfect. And my arm's getting tired holding this mirror. So just do that. I'm really liking how this is gonna look. Can't wait to put Jaybird on my eyelid. So we're gonna just do the other eye. Do my damn brows always. I don't gel them down for some reason, and I should, but I always forget to. And I forgot to today. So we're gonna ignore that. No fallout. I'm liking that. I'm liking this eye look. We're gonna use Nakey next. And I'm using my Luxie. Ooh, this is like disappearing. 237 blending little brush. My little baby brush. Blending brush. Baby blending brush. We're gonna just deepen up that crease a bit more, and that's all I'm gonna do on that crease. And kind of like the outer V area, and kind of blending it in the edge right here where it meets with my no eyeshadow area. I don't know, yeah, you get the point. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna deepen that up. But I'm using a light hand when I'm blending this out. So I don't want it to be too harsh and be too much just to blend. Cause I don't want to take forever blending this dark color out. So we're gonna use my previous brush and just blend that out a bit more. And of course, I'm just going to keep going back and forth till I like the blend of this eyeshadow. So you just can keep going back and forth, and then just the way you like it or how high up you want it. I'm just going to dip back into Butt Naked just to make that blend a bit better. It's a little harsh right there. These really do blend in nicely. So we're gonna see how the metallic colors are, the shimmery shades, and the glitter foil. I'm so excited for Jaybird, you don't even know. So we're just gonna repeat the same thing on the other eyeball. I don't know why. Is it just me, or is it like once I do one eye and I do the second eye, it's just so much easier just to do the shit? Like, it's so much quicker for the second eye. I just don't get it. And it comes out so much better. Like, come on. Or is it just me? blending it out. Ooh, this is getting... I'm really liking my crease area right now. Like, I could so just wear this by itself. Yeah. Yep, let me just bring my camera a bit higher. Yeah. So, you know what's gonna come up next that I'm gonna use? So I heard that you could use, like, it's better to use like a glitter primer or something like sticky for the glitter foil. So I'm gonna use my glitter adhesive. So I'm just gonna do it one layer at a time. Dude, I'm so excited. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelid with glitter adhesive, and there's glitter on this damn thing. Y'all. Is it gonna, do I apply with finger? Can I apply with my brush? That is the question. Ooh, I accidentally took, okay. Don't press down too much, because I almost broke it. Shit. So, yeah. Let's not do that again. Ooh. Might try to apply with my finger, actually. Oh, this works. Yeah, this is working. I really like how it shifts to like a gold color. This one definitely has fallout. You see that fallout coming? And of course, we're gonna blend that edge out. I just want to pack this color in. Before that glue dries. That is so pretty. So we're gonna use nakey again, just to blend this, so it doesn't look too harsh, you know. And I'm kind of blend it into the edge right here. Like that. So, this is so pretty. I really like this shade. Oh my god. Let me clean this up a little bit. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so happy right now. I'm really like Okay, so I'm gonna go finish off this eyeball real quick. And so for my brow bone highlight, I'm gonna use a stock. That is so pretty. Oh my god. Can't wait to complete this look with the liner and lashes. Y'all don't even know how obsessed I am with this look right now. Yeah, I'm living this. So if y'all can't tell, I'm really loving this palette right now. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use Exposed. We're gonna see how that looks. Yeah, this one's giving me a lot of fallout too. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna just blend this into the Jaybird a little bit. It's blending in nicely with Jaybird though, so that's good. And then, yeah, we're gonna do the other eyeball. For the glitter foils and that, like, yeah, the glitter foils, metallic foil, I guess, I don't know. They definitely give you a lot of fallout. Yep, and it's like, it gives you a lot of kickback too on the palette. So, yeah, I got a lot of kickback from those two colors. And of course you could see that Jaybird kind of fell on all natural right there. Y'all could see that. we're gonna do my lower lash line. So I think I'm gonna use Butt Naked and Nakey. So we're just gonna do the same thing in the crease, except for using Reveal. So we're gonna apply Butt Naked first, and then we're gonna apply a Nakey. We're just going to deepen up that lash line, so we're just going to put it closer to my lash line. I like to grab the previous brush, and I always like to blend a lot more. And there you go. So I'm just going to finish off my wing and my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is the look I created with the Laura Lee Los Angeles Noodie Patootie palette. I hope you guys like this eyeshadow look. If y'all like it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. And I have that all in the description box down below. And of course, I'll put all the eyeshadow names that I use in this tutorial today down there too. So yeah, I hope you guys like this, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye guys.